What's up, you guys? It's your girl Rob. Welcome back to my channel. And today it is Vlogmas day 21. And your girl gotta get ready to go to work. She got on her all black, like always. You know what I'm saying? Hey. But I just want to show you guys before I head off to work that I added 2 more gifts under the tree for Thad. We got this box and then that box. But before I get ready to leave to go to work, I'm going to make me a smoothie. You know I love my smoothie. So you guys, I made my smoothie, but I put it in this cup to take to work. So I will see you guys in a few hours when I get back to the crib. Hope you guys have a great day. But before I dip out, I'm going to read my book. What is up, you guys? I just got back to the crib. Your girl is starving. I'm about to get ready to do my 25 squats. Oh yeah, you guys, I've been drinking the kombucha, and today's word of enlightenment is don't sleep in your dreams, walk in them. This is the same one thing I had the other day. So it's a sign, somebody. Don't sleep in them dreams, walk in them. Y'all, tell me why I just took my shoes off. And I was wondering why my foot felt weird. Look at this. Gonna bust a hole through the sock, y'all. About to get ready to do my other 25 squats for the day. Y'all, I'm so hungry. I'm about to get ready to make me some salmon patties. Hopefully they turn out good because I don't want to DoorDash anything today. I've been spending too much money on that. As y'all know, y'all been watching my videos, so we about to cook some salmon patties. So you guys, y'all just seen my meal. I'm about to eat, and then I'm about to look at this movie called The Shack on Netflix. It looked like it's the same movie that I got the book over there. I got the book from my aunt. So I'm finna watch the movie and hopefully read the book. Well, finish the book whenever, because I started it. Y'all know me. I'm already crying from the movie already. And I'm only 35 minutes in. But But it's good so far, y'all. I think y'all should go watch it or read the book if you haven't done either one of those. But this concludes the video. I'm not doing nothing for the rest of the night but watching this movie and then taking a shower.